When a real man drinks banana date juice, the journey doesn't stop at taste. Inside the body, vital organs like the brain, heart, lungs, and stomach prepare to absorb powerful natural nutrients. As banana date juice reaches the stomach, natural sugars and minerals mix with digestive enzymes, starting the process of energy release and nutrient breakdown. In the small intestine, nutrients from banana date juice are absorbed. Vitamins, minerals, and glucose enter the bloodstream, fueling the body at a cellular level. These nutrients travel through blood vessels, powering muscles, organs, and the brain, creating a feeling of natural strength and vitality. The brain receives steady glucose from banana date juice, helping neurons communicate faster and improving focus, clarity, and mental energy. Potassium and carbohydrates reach the muscles, supporting strength, reducing cramps, and aiding muscle recovery. Dietary fiber from dates supports digestion, nourishing healthy gut bacteria and improving overall